understand they came with the force. They came with the force.
Why are you getting agitated?
No, I'm not getting agitated, sir.
That's why sir, I'm telling also, just bring a doctor here and do the medical checkup here.
They can
That's
do,
why
sir.
I'm
There's a mobile
requesting
service
you
also. See, 108 is there. They can do. They can come.
Can talk,
Yeah, we can talk. So why not?
You cannot force. We can talk. We are not forcing.
Who is forcing you?
There's no sure.
They take a public tax salary.
Relax. I'm covering my face.
Okay, you tell me, sir. What do you want to do? Tell me.
What how to go for a medical? That's the thing.
No, but what is your doctor? Any being a doctor?
Or any solution to find out
Medical checkup.
I can call the DMHO also.
the civil hospital, the government doctor is there. You
I
could
can
call
call the
them.
DMHO.
You could call them to come and do for the checkup.
I can call Conrad also. I don't care of calling him at night. Hello, sir.
Relax. Hey.
Dr. Aili, Officer Ranking, you should know that. Come. We're not inside. We'll talk here. We'll talk here.
See, we are not going to force anybody's ticket. We are not. We are just concerned for the
That's what we're telling you to just bring a medical officer here to relax.
Why are you getting so agitated?
We're not getting requesting you. We are talking in a very good sense.
Calm down.
In
Calm down.
a very polite manner. So please, let's talk. What do you want exactly from your end? What do you want exactly from your end?
That's what I'm
So
saying.
you tell us.
Yes, that's what I'm trying to say.
That's from our organization also. We already.
I'm not a competent authority to speak on anything. I'm only here to that.
No, see, I already had a word with your OC, sir.
Wait. I'm only here to just see that her health is taken care of. That's it. That's the only thing.
If you
Sir,
no,
Wait. I'm not competent authority to speak
Okay,
on,
sir.
on any matter.
If you are so
Nothing.
concerned with that.
Wait, sir. Only thing is that. And whatever you say, okay.
No, if you are so concerned with the health,
I agree with
we can
whatever
send
you
the-
say. Relax.
from the government side,
I agree with
we
whatever
appeal
you
to the
say.
government to send the medical health.
That is between you and the government. I'm not a competent person to speak on that.
Sir,
I am here.
Sir, first question I have for you. What is the role of the police? Yeah, right now.
Yes.
What is the role of the police? Is it suppose if there's another coronavirus? Okay, say so tomorrow. Is the police or is the doctor to take care of it?
My role is only that.
Same thing for the
So
health.
that's why
Same thing
you
for the
guys
health.
come and pick.
Same thing
No,
for the
no,
health.
but see,
Same thing for the health.
Samsung, no. See, I'll cite another example again. That is Mr. Aden's case. Mr. Aden's case.
No.
The doctors were here
No.
to check on his health.
No.
It's not the police.
No. Relax.
I am speaking on behalf as a citizen of Dubai district.
I'm not talking about anything else. I'm only that participation should be taken care of. I'm only for
We
that.
are all concerned about
We are all concerned about it.
That's what I'm requesting you also. From your side also, if you have a medical officer or a medical doctor,
bring it here.
Doctor
cannot be brought here. No.
Sir,
Doctor could be brought.
Sir, first of all, sir.
I'm relaxing, brother. I'm relaxing. You need to relax too. You need to relax too.
Anna Hazare went out for hunger strike. It's the doctors who went there to that place, Jantar Mantar pe. No.
Send the doctor here also.
Please go for medical. See, let me narrate one story. As a media person, let me narrate one story. There was a high-profile case here who went on a hunger strike. You all sent a doctor. That is Mr. Aden Basaimat. You all send a doctor, sir. Sir, no. I will argue with you. I will go to any extent and argue with you. You all send a doctor here, and they went on for a medical checkup. Just because he's an ordinary person, sir, you have to send a doctor, sir. You have to send a doctor, sir. Look, they have a mobile ambulance. They have everything. Of course.
Send you by force, please.
Not by force. Not by force.
You need to understand first, not by force, huh?
Not by force.
It's not by force, huh?
We also human.
Yes.
Not by force.
Not by force.
Not by force, huh? It's not by force, huh?
We are not your worker.
It's not by force, huh?
That means you understand? They'll handle female. Please. Yes, sir.
It's not by force, huh? No way. No, sir. It's not by force. Don't do by force, sir. Don't do by force, sir. Please. Don't do by force. Don't do by force.
Please don't. You doesn't want to go willingly. Then why you are taking by force?
Nothing. Just for medical error, please.
It's better to send here, sir.
Better you send your
It's
medical.
better to send here, sir. Your doctor and all is better to send here. Sir, it's better to call it.
doktor sini.
She's a woman. Understand that.
This is Hana. There's no violence anything. This is Hana.
Understand that. She's a woman.
Question I have to ask you. Please show me a black and white order.
Even she
Show
also
me a black and white order from the government. Please show me a black and white order. You can't just come here without a black and white order.
Sir, even she also
Step outside.
We need a black and white order.
please don't let a man touch her. Don't let any police force a man touch her.
Recently, I
so many
had
sections
Woman
I had
Yes.
a one-to-one interaction with the DGP. I have been telling her that the public wants to cooperate with the police, but this is not the way.
This is Dhana. There is no
violence.
violence. The issue between the public and the police.
You
have seen the issue between the public and the police. You have seen the right here. You want to show the power show in the border.
I can turn to be a social activist.
In front of you there is right and sir. Please let's see first. Don't do by force. Don't force, sir. Don't force. Please send your. Yeah, just send here. Send the doctor here. No. Don't force. Call the government. Don't force. Don't force. Don't Don't touch. Yes, don't touch. She's a woman, sir. She's a woman. She's a woman. Don't force. Don't force. You move your voice will come. Don't force her. Force you. There is the right hand here. There is right hand in front of you. There is right hand here in front of you, sir. Please read the right hand. We'll talk here. Yes, sir, please. Don't push.
Don't push anyone. Don't push anyone. Don't push anyone.
Take him alone.
Don't push anyone.
Send the doctor. That's better.
Stand up.
We are here. If you want to talk here.
Let them come.
No. We won't allow. No.
Don't push anyone.
No.
What part?
Come now.
Pakromat उसको. Pakromat उसको.
Just want to talk.
Don't touch him. Yes, you can touch him. Send the message to the government. You can send the message to the government. She won't go to
I'm
hospital.
not for government.
Yeah.
I'm with you. Come.
You don't. If you are with us, then step outside.
Yes.
If you are with us.
We will talk outside.
If you are with us, stay here.
Listen.
Till morning.
Outside your force. Listen.
Outside your force.
Listen. There is no force or anything. I'm here.
To talk here.
Behind you.
Please.
Behind you. Send the
No, those are,
What is your?
no, just hear me out, just hear me out. Those please.
Just cooperate. Just cooperate. Let's have a
See, she is not here. Yeah.
No.
She don't give them. Get Yes. Go outside.
Okay, well, we'll talk outside.
Just go.
Let's go outside.
You go first.
बाहर में क्या है? यहाँ बात करो.
We'll talk outside.
Please, sir, listen to me. With respect, sir. I will end up saying that I am a journalist, but listen to me. I am a resident of Riboy district and of Nangpo constituency.
Yes.
And I will fight. I will allow you to do this. No. Come on, with a mask.